Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right now on my screen, I'm looking at the Candle EA MT5 developed by Mansour Baba Safari on the MQL5 Marketplace. This EA is priced at 580 US dollars, and the latest version here is 2.20, updated in October 2024. It also shows a rating of 4.14 with a limited number of activations, which gives a bit of context on its usage level. Now, from the information available here, this EA is for MT5. All right. So there seems to be no MT4 version. That's important to keep in mind as I go through the rest of the review. Now, looking at the description, the EA is built around candlestick pattern recognition. Okay. And it uses those patterns to detect market trends. So instead of relying on complex external indicators, the logic is centered on price action through candlestick behavior. Scrolling further, I can see that the system is designed with a profit limit and a loss limit, which suggests built-in risk control parameters. That means trades are structured with predefined boundaries for both upside and downside outcomes, depending on settings. The EA is also described as avoiding risky approaches like martingale or hedging. Okay. So it is built to comply with FIFO rules. That's important for traders who operate under strict broker or regulatory conditions. Now, moving into the recommended usage section, I can see the EA is suggested for EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, and USDCAD, and it performs best on M30, H1, and H4 time frames. So this gives a clear idea of the environment it is intended for, especially medium-term chart structures rather than very fast execution. Looking at the settings panel, there are several configurable inputs. There is a risk setting, which controls exposure per trade, and the developer recommends starting around lower risk levels like 2% to keep things conservative. And there is also the ability to switch long and short trades on or off individually, which gives flexibility depending on market direction preference. Now, alongside that, we have a take profit and stop loss system, allowing traders to define their own trade boundaries. I also noticed break-even functionality, which moves trades to a risk-free state once a certain level is reached, and a trailing stop feature, which helps protect profits as price continues in a favorable direction. Another useful control is the max spread filter, which prevents the EA from trading when broker spreads are too high. That helps avoid entries during unfavorable trading conditions. Now, moving into the backtesting section, the EA is clearly designed to work across multiple recommended pairs and time frames. So I'll focus the historical testing on those conditions, especially the M30 to H1 range. I think we're just going to be testing on EURUSD. Maybe we can just use the H4 time frame, right? So let's head over to our strategy tester right now. This is the Candle EA MT5, symbol EURUSD, time frame H4. For the custom period, we're running from the beginning of this year till date, so we can capture a reasonable data for the back testing. We're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. So the test is already completed, and this is the chart history. All right. From the historical chart activity, what stands out is that the EA appears to react to candlestick-based structures, meaning entries are tied to how price forms and transitions between candles rather than external indicators. Now, position management also seems to rely on structured exits using profit and loss boundaries, which aligns with the built-in limit system mentioned in the settings. One of the things I can see here is that there is reasonable spacing between the trades. We can see that a trade was executed here and closed here, and the EA seems to be targeting, I think this is not short-term price movement, because this is literally the 4-hour time frame, and a trade was executed here and closed here. That took several days, right? Because each candle represents 4 hours. So the EA is capable of holding trades, for long, right? Okay, well, I guess it depends on the time frame that you are executing, the trades on. Okay, and there is also reasonable spacing between the trades. You can see there was a distance of a couple of days between that trade and this trade here, and you can see that this trade also ran for days. Okay, and all of that. All right, now it's important to remember that this is strictly historical backtest performance, and results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, and your chosen risk settings. So let's just look at the results themselves. We can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was 9,159.61, and the total trades taken were just 5. 4 trades were short with 100% win rate. The long trade was just 1, and it was a losing trade. We can see that the largest profit was 3,168. The largest loss was 3,168.93. The average profit was 3,082.14. The average loss was 3,168.93. Okay, so that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is quite bad. Okay, it is close to 1:1. All right, and then as for the win rate, judging from what we have here, the win rate is quite good. Okay, out of 5 trades, 4 of them, which were all short trades, were profitable, while the one that was a long trade was not profitable. Okay, so combining the data we have here, well, it's not surprising to see a net profit of around 9%, 9.16%. Okay, but I would still recommend running longer term testing across different symbols and conditions, so you can get a broader understanding of how the EA behaves in different market environments. Overall, this EA is clearly built around candlestick pattern based decision making with structured risk controls. But like any system, proper optimization and testing are key before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.